This job really starts so that firstly I have to take away this starter, and there is one bolt that goes through in engine block. It is big bolt. We have to take starter away. I have already removed that. And also after that there is one electric connector what I have to open in this back area. It is like made. It controls gearbox movement and gearbox information. Now this connector is free, and next we can go to open these big bolts. And first big bolt is in just in here below of that starter. It is in here, that one, this area, and I take my socket. Okay, and now I need 17mm socket, and now we are opening this just in below of starter, that bolt, and I use now my impact driver, and let's open that bolt. And in here we have bolt. What size is that? That kind of bolt in this area. And then we open next bolt. The next bolt is in this very down area, bolt in here, in that area, in here, what is in here, and now I need some extension that I can open this bolt, and before of that I need some 17mm spanner that I can take this bolt away, and now I have long spanner, we can see, and then I install in here 17mm, I can open that bolt in, and this is okay. Now it opens good, and then I can take this my extension tool that I can and in that down area there was quite big bolt also, almost same size, and now that down area is free. Then we change the side, and this is now in this exhaust manifold area, and there we can see similar down areas bolt in there, and I open also, it is 17mm, and I open that in here. Okay, now I open the bolt. Now it's loosened, and then I use my electric driver that I open the bolt. There is a situation that I have to use some spanner because there is no any space for bigger socket, and now I have to work with these small tools in that way, and this takes a little bit time when I open that bolt, and I work in here a couple of minutes. Okay, and now I work in here. And bolt opens. Quite difficult job, and there's bolt, looks like same size bolt. Then we go to open in here these big bolts what are in that up area, 2 bolts, and now I open those next. Okay, and now really in here, when I install my tool in that area, there is big bolt. And there is bolt what looks like that, and in that another side in here is similar. In that area we can look also this position, it is in there. Okay, and this looks and there was similar bolt, those 2. Okay, and then we have next bolt. It is in down in here. And it is similar bolt, and it opens nicely. Excellent. And now I believe that most bolts are free. Okay, and then there is this steel plate in here bottom area, and 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts what I have to remove in here. They keep engine block and gearbox this area free, and I take those bolts away in here. There is exhaust manifold, and these steel bolts are here. Okay, and now steel bolts is free, and now we can see in there that there is flywheel. Okay, good. Okay, and then when all bolts are free, we need tool knife, and we start the separation operation. We install this knife in these holes, and then this gearbox and engine block, this cap opens, and we have to install this in different locations. And also we need big screwdrivers also. Okay, and then I need also big screwdrivers that I install this in, and I bend these parts like separate in that way. And now we can see that there is nice gap in here. Excellent, we can look closer, there is nice gap, and I can install my screwdrivers in here, and then I have to go in this another side, and I let this one screwdriver in here, and we go to another part in this engine, another side. Okay, and now we are in another side, and we start to open that side also. And firstly I use my tool knife in here, this side area. Okay, and now there is a gap, and then I take my screwdriver and I start to bend over these parts, and now these my parts, gearbox and engine block, they are separated in here. Now when connection is free, I can carefully reverse this gearbox in back in this direction, and now I lift up a little bit this engine block. Now when they are in position, I carefully move the gearbox, little bit move the gear and in reverse. And now this gearbox opens. Excellent. And now we can see that there is gearbox, this pressure plate, and in here we can see clutch plate. Okay, and there is clutch plate, and next we can open these clutch bolts, and then this clutch is free. And let's go to look at how we open these bolts. And then we need to open these 6 bolts in here, and we need now this socket what is 10 millimeter, but there have to be in these corners they are 12, and this is like socket what type is in that it fits in here 10 millimeter and it fits in here. And then I open these bolts and let's look at how clutch plate opens. And now I start to open these bolts. This is first one, and there is bolt what is that size, and this is first one, and then second in down area, and then we go forward in this bolt. We can see that next bolt is this. It is in this up area in here. And next one is here. 4 bolts, and then 5, and then final one. Final bolt is in here, and then I can take this clutch plate carefully out in here, and now clutch plate is free in here, and we can go to look at clutch plate closer. Okay, and now we can look at clutch plate. Firstly, there are those locking bolts, 6 pieces, and they looks like that. And then this clutch plate, and look in that another view, this is pressure plate area, and there are those, there is this, maybe maker is, there is made in Japan, and or maybe maker is X2 is maker in here, and logo is maker DK in here, DK. And then when we look at the inner area, we can inspect firstly clutch, and there is still these rows that this is still suitable and okay clutch, and there is then this maker is really XL2 there, and made in Japan. Okay, and there is this type, and high quality clutch plate, still usable because there are those lines still left. And then we'll check that pressure plate. This is also quite good condition, no any big scratch. There is some burnout, but no so deep, and otherwise really excellent engineering. And this was really this clutch plate. And these parts goes in this way in here back. Okay, good. And remember, this material is harmful. this is clutch plate, dust, and do not intake this thing. Handle this carefully.